everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a grocery haul that is hosted by Miss Wanda, and her other channel is Grandma Does It All. You guys can check out both links in my description box down below, as well as the playlist for today's video. First, I headed over to Food Lion to see if there were any meats on sale. So basically, I look for this icon right here. This is Manager Special. If it was a good price, I did pick it up and get it, and you guys will see what I get towards the end. Okay, so I found some of the deals in Food Lion, but now I'm in Kroger, and I am finding some things. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I am just gonna run into Food Lion and Kroger today to see what I see, what I need to get. I did meal plan, so I will show you guys what I got at home. And because this is a regular grocery haul, you guys will see the exact amount of what I will be paying for my food. So if you're interested in joining our budget grocery haul for the month of August, it will be a budget of $140. So if you think that you guys can make that budget and try it, let me know. So I did pick up this Barbie spray and splash mat. That was only $7.50. Everything summer was 50% off. I got the ground turkey to do meatballs, or I could use it for meatloaf or something else. I got the Neapolitan ice cream along with the chocolate. I did pick up this reduced $2 Caesar salad, which is chopped, and it's not something I normally like, but I was willing to give it a try. I got the shredded lettuce because I will be doing the sandwiches, and then I also will use it for tacos. I also picked up some cream cheese as well as some broccoli cuts. This was another manager special at Kroger. The Grand's Butter Tasting Biscuits. 8 biscuits for $1.49. I think that the date was coming close, and that's why it was on sale. 2 of the ham and cheese Lunchables, as well as some garlic toast. And then I got the honey uncured ham, as well as the mesquite smoked turkey breast meat. I will be doing some of the famous TikTok sandwiches. So next I got the Marie Callender's birthday cake cream pie, which is my favorite. You literally thaw it out for an hour and 15 minutes, and then it's good for 3 days. I did pick up 2 of the ground beefs, as I will be doing tacos and sloppy joe. I picked up some of the pork chops for $4.54. There is 6 of them in this pack for less than $5. It's a deal. I did pick up a can of cinnamon rolls that have the original icing, as well as some pizza blend cheese and the mozzarella shredded cheese for quesadillas this week per Cam's request, and mild cheddar cheese for the tacos. I also picked up, out of Skylar's request, to get some chocolate Pockies, so here they are. I also picked up the red, white, and blue brownies. So not only did I get these for the 4th of July, but I did end up getting 2 of the pizza crust mix so that the kiddos can make pizza, and it's enough for us and the kids to make one. I did pick up some sour cream and chives, mashed potatoes, as well as some cookies and cream Pop-Tarts. I picked up the classic white cake mix because I didn't realize that they would be good to use to make cookies. And so I also picked up the fruit gushers and the fruit by the foot variety pack fruit roll-ups. These were on a good sale. I got the chewy dip chocolate chip granola bars, as well as the angel hair pasta with herbs. So the rice-a-roni and the other box was $1, so why not? I got the flour tortillas, and then the ranch taco shells. So not only can we use that to make quesadillas, but we can also use it in case somebody wants just a regular flour tortilla with their taco. Some all-purpose flour. Got the pack of Oreos to make some things with. got the chicken broth. It's always good to stock up on your chicken broth. And I also picked up this like $1.79 almond milk. And I also picked up some of the cut yams, as I'm going to be making sweet potato cupcakes, 2 things of the Vienna sausage, and the sloppy joe sandwich mix. I also went ahead and picked up 1 can of sweet golden corn and a thing of pizza sauce for the pizza. Never can go wrong with having that around. I also picked up 2 cartons of the eggs. So this grocery haul was mostly just like get what you want, get what you need type of grocery haul. I did pick up the Celsius Peach Vibe drink and then the Tropical Vibe. These seem to me to be a summer flavor, and so I wanted to try them. So I also picked up 3 tomatoes so that we could make the chopped TikTok sandwiches along with tacos, and if we wanted to just make a tomato sandwich with salt and pepper. I also picked up the Ragu Chunky Garden combination and some buttered flavored syrup. Now this is for whenever we feel like it. It's a spiked snow cone. This one is Tiger's Blood, and the other one is Jamaican Me Smile. And then I picked up the Fruity Pebbles for $2.50. Sometimes I think that my gut goes towards things that are more on sale than really not being on sale. I also picked up the cotton candy grapes. This bag right here, believe it or not, cost me $11.48. Didn't realize it would be that much. Picked up the milk and some bananas. Now, I didn't realize that the bananas would only cost me $1.28 for basically what, 6 bananas? That's a hit. Got the blueberries. This was $2.99 a pint, and then I found this on the reduced section where it's dip and sticks with sliced apples and caramel. Like I said, I think that this reduced gets put on when it's close to date, and they're afraid that they might not make that date cutoff. So I did pick up the strawberry soda, orange soda, Dr. K soda, and the grape soda. They were on sale this week for $1, so why not? Picked up the classic white sandwich bread and a box of the Frito-Lay's chips, and that's an 18 count, and this was $8.99 for the box. Now at Food Lion, I did pick up these items here just because, like I said, I went meat searching. I did pick up 2 of the Huggies drinks, 1 of the Italian style dressing from Olive Garden, and 1 can of the sausage gravy. I also picked up a bunch of meats that would benefit my household just in case I wanted to make some of these things. So I did pick up some pork chops. I did pick up some chicken thighs, that cost $3.70. I also picked up some chicken breasts that cost less than $7 for 5 of them. And I also picked up some wingettes and some party chicken. This one was $3.78. The other one was about $7.50. And you can't beat getting 4 pieces of pork chop for $2.63. Some sliced fat back, and like I said, the big pack of party wings and the chicken breast. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching my grocery haul. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to look down in the description box to find Grandma Does It All. Go over and subscribe, as well as checking out that playlist. That is linked in my description box down below. I washed off that chicken, bagged it up, and put it in my deep freezer so that when I'm ready, I can just pull it out and let it thaw out and cook it. It's such a great way to go ahead and wash all of those nasty juices off of your meat.